Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to auto-post articles from Medium.com to WordPress. Under the WordPress automatic plugin menu, click New Campaign. Select Medium as the campaign type. Set the type of posting. The plugin can post by tag, search, or user. Let's, for example, import articles from this author. Copy the author link. Paste the link. Enable this option to set original tags as WordPress tags. Enable setting the author of the post to the original author. Hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click the Run Now button. A new post got added successfully. Tags were automatically set. The author was automatically set. We can run the campaign as many times as we like. We can also set an update interval to automatically run starting from 1 minute. Let's modify the content using AI. We can generate a new title using AI based on the original title. Write your desired prompt. Hit the Update button. Click the Run Now button. A new post got added successfully. A new title was generated using AI. Let's check the source. Here is the old title. Here is the new AI title. Let's generate the post content using AI as well. Write your desired prompt. A new post was created. Title and content were generated using AI. Information are based on the original post. Now let's generate a new featured image using AI. Enable this option to generate an image using AI. Write your desired generation prompt. Enable this to force the use of the AI image. Hit the Update button. Click the Run Now button. A new post was added successfully. The featured image was generated using AI. Also, the title and the content. Let's check the source post. You can find that the title, featured image, and content are all different. Information on the new post is based on the original post. Thank you for watching. The plugin link is in the description.